Eddie told me, we were on the way to a football game, and Eddie told me, dude, I think I'm gonna marry this girl. And I told him, dude, if you don't, I'm gonna kick your ass. And so she was already part of the family, and I really couldn't see it any other way. And I can honestly say, Christy, you're the reason that me and Eddie are as close as we are now.
After 9 years, you're finally in the family officially. Finally, with paperwork. At about 7 years, I was getting a little worried. I thought you were planning an escape, but I'm glad you didn't. I really am. So I'm glad you're here. I'm glad we're all here.
I honestly instantly love Christy, simply because of the fact she never compared me to Eddie like other people did. And beyond that, she was just a sweet, genuine person. And I feel like I can be myself around her, and I love you for that.
Seeing you and Christy grow up through high school, through college, through getting your first home together, it's made me realize that you too have a heart of gold. You're always putting others first before yourself. Your family is always a priority, and for that, I couldn't ask for a more perfect brother-in-law than you.
I woke up today never having felt more excited for something in my life. If I could do my life over 1,000,000 times, I would do it the exact same way every time. It's what brought me to you. You truly are the single greatest thing that has ever happened to me. From the moment we met, I just seem to have this feeling about you.
What also has brought you to this place are these people who are gathered here. Everyone here today gathered for one reason and one reason only, and that's because we love you. We love you individually, we love you for what you are in the process of becoming. Whether we are part of your faith, whether we are part of your family, or whether we were part of your friends, all of us together help become that threefold cord, not easily broken. In the name of God.
In the name of God. Sorry.
I, Eddie.
I, Eddie.
Take you, Christy.
Take you, Christy.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poor.
For richer, or poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Until we are parted by death.
Until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Through the good and through the bad, you're my big brother. I always looked up to you, and I've always admired you. And Chrissy, I couldn't be more happy that I can officially call you my sister. And seeing you, the two of you together, makes everything complete. And I wish you both a lifetime of happiness. So here's to Eddie and Christy.
I read somewhere that love is a friendship that is caught on fire. So may your fire burn strong and bright and filled with love and laughter for the next 70 plus years. Congratulations. I love you both.
It is my distinct privilege and honor to present to you and introduce for the first time as a married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo Esquivel Jr.